Robert Moody with MarineMax at the Dallas Yacht Center. Today I want to show you a 2019 Sea Ray 350 Sundancer, the Coupe style. Right now we're on the back of the swim platform of the boat. This does have the extended swim platform. You can see how much room you have for you and your family in and out of the water when it's a hot summer day. Plenty of room to relax, but also maybe you want to roll up a lily pad and carry that out to your favorite cove with you. Plenty of room back here to stack all your stuff. Also here on the back of the boat, they got a Kenya grill, which is great for cooking, grilling out in the afternoon. We got a little wet bar sink to clean up some utensils on there. I really like the storage drawers down below too. So you're going to have your dock lines, maybe your grill tools, whatever you want. It's nice to have them convenient, easy to get to right here on the back end of the boat. You notice up above us we have a sure shade that's deployed, so even in the heat of the day I got shade and a breeze where it's going to keep us cool back here even on the swim platform. So that's a great option all my customers love. Let's move into the cockpit of the boat. The cockpit right here, tons of seating. That's kind of a Sea Ray deal. They want to put a lot of seating in the cockpit. They know you're going to have your friends and family out here. Everybody wants to be outside during the day, so tons of seating around here. The optional seating package over here, and you've got a little refrigerator tray down below, which is really nice. As I walked through the transom door, I do have a nice door for little kids or to keep little dogs in the boat. There's also a Fusion stereo system remote control on the back end of the boat, so when people are back here talking, if you need just the radio, it's real easy to grab and get to right there on the side. You also notice the steps coming up, so to get to the bow of the boat, you can walk down the sides. Easy molded in steps to get up to the bow, which is great. Huge table, and it's not in the way. I'm still your guest. You are walking on and off the boat. You got a huge table, people sitting around it. You can get a lot of plates and drinks around there. Love that. This boat does come with a cockpit AC and heat. So on a hot day, you can turn that AC on, let it blow right on top of your neck and over your shoulders is good. There's some other vents, some vents up here at the dash too. But I love the seating. Even again, Sea Ray style, let's keep everybody together talking. You can even flip the Helm, double wide Helm seat around so you're in the conversation with everybody else once you're anchored out. We got a companion sun lounge over here, which is really nice. Sea Ray did. If you want to face back, maybe you're pulling some kids on the tube, you can lock this up. If you want more of an upright position, you can do that as well. Pretty nice. And you got a little glove box up there. Throw your phones, your car keys, your sunglasses before you jump in the lake. A nice safe place to keep everything. Let's take a look at the helm right here. Everybody's used to the Sea Rays now having the Merc Cruiser joystick control on it, and this boat has it as well. We've got the nice Simrad unit on here. Right now I got it on split screen. I got a GPS map on there. This one also has a fish finder transducer on the bottom, shows me what's going on underneath the bottom of the boat, and it looks like a school of fish just kind of swam underneath us there. The joystick on this boat, this takes all the anxiety out of putting the boat back in the slip at the end of the day. You know, push it, the boat moves back, sideways, spin it in a circle. If you need to just stop where you are, you can hit the sky hook, and that's going to use the engines and the GPS to hold you in that location until you're ready to release it and start driving and take the boat away again. It also has auto heading, autopilot, some great features on the boat. Makes it easier for anybody to drive the boat. Good looking dash, everything you need is right there handy. I got an air vent blowing air conditioner on the driver, another one over there. So the captain of the boat, you're going to stay nice and cool when it's underway. This is a coupe. So we got glass on the front, a huge, nice, clean window, great visibility, big windows on the side, again, good visibility. We also got a window on each side that'll open up so maybe you want to talk to somebody grabbing the lines, or maybe you just want the breeze coming through. So you can open up both sides of the windows and get a nice little cross breeze through here. Also on the top, they have a solid hardtop opening sunroof. I like that it's not canvas. Some of the canvas ones may have a tend to kind of blow in the wind and rattle a little bit. So this one's one piece, so it's quiet and solid. When you close it up, you really don't have to worry about it leaking on you and making noise when you're running across the lake at full speed. The nice blue lights in here at night. This one has a LED light package on it, so in the evening time it really sets the mood to have a fun night out on the water in the evening. But again, with the push of a button, open or closed. We can be protected or we can be open. This is another little feature, so when you're driving the boat, if you want more airflow going through here, you can open up this hatch, and it's like an old pickup truck. It's going to draw that air right into the cockpit of the boat. Really keeps it nice and cool. Let's step down below in the cabin. All right, so first thing I want to show you down here in the cabin, first of all, there's face-to-face seating. So if you get your whole family in here and you want to have a conversation, you can sit and face each other and talk if you like it. Table obviously goes right here in the middle, so in the evening you can set up and eat down here as well. On this side, I love what Sea Ray did. They hid the control panel behind this backrest. Instead of wasting storage space up in a cabinet up top and blocking windows and stuff, put it down low. Easy to get to, out of the way, great use of space. They put a TV over here on this side that you can see from this bench seat. You can also pull it out and rotate it if you need be. You can see it from the forward master bed. So this would be the master bed on the boat. There's really 3 sleeping areas on this 350 Coupe. I'd say this would be your bed number 1. Big and roomy. You got a privacy curtain that you can close it off. There is a hatch up above, so if you want to let in light, sun, air, breeze, you can do it. Right now I got the total sunblock on there, but if you want to, you can just slide it this way and you get a screen, open up the hatch to keep the bugs out. Great storage compartments. Behind the side mirrors is storage, all up here storage everywhere on the boat. Moving over here, this is going to be the main salon seating on the boat. This can also pull out into a sofa sleeper. You can see the black strap there. You pull that out, put filler cushions in. This is what I'm calling bed number 3 on the boat. I like the windows. They're doing bigger windows on the side of the boat. Really nice if some of your guests and family gets a little claustrophobic down inside the cabin of a boat. If they can look out and see the horizon, see where the water meets the shore, calms them down, settles them down a little bit, and they can stay aboard your boat and you can stay out on the hook even longer. I like what they did. They kind of moved the galley back here in the back corner. So you have a refrigerator here, dual burner, microwave, great storage. But again, by them pushing that to the back corner, they're able to put face-to-face seating up here in the salon area. Easy access. Look how easy this is to get to the mid-cabin. With the tall door, big opening. Before we head back there, let's take a look at the head. So this isn't your traditional wet head. This has a separate shower. So you got a big area where the head and the sink is, and a huge window, plenty of storage and mirrors. But you go around the corner, you're going to have a glass wall and a door so you can shower off in an enclosed compartment, so you're not going to be spraying, getting soap and shampoo thrown over the whole head compartment. Really great job. You normally find that in bigger Sea Ray boats. Now they have it in a 35-foot coupe. But easy getting back to the mid-cabin. Some boats you got to crawl through a tiny hole. It's like it's a cubby back here. They left all this open so you can get airflow through here. You can get light through here. You can even talk to people up there. They even put a bench seat back on this side. You got a closet storage, more storage there, porthole that opens up, but a bench seat. Maybe you want to get dressed, put your shoes on. The back area, they got their own TV back there, their own storage, their own reading lights. And this boat has twin beds. Right now I got the filler cushions put in here to make it one bed. So if you got 2 kiddos and you want to keep them separated, remove the filler cushions. If you have adult guests and they want to sleep on one big bed, put in the filler cushions, bam, you got a nice big size bed back here in the back, a little private area. Let's go take a look at the bow of the boat. I really love what Sea Ray did with the new bow. Before in Sundancers, they're all flat. They had a sun pad that laid up here flat. What they did on the new 350 Coupe, they elevated it. So now I got a place to put my feet and drop down. So maybe some people won't come up here and just sit. You can sit like I am doing now. If you want to lay down, I can lay down with the back support. These go up and down just like this one. So when it's time to go, I'd probably drop them all. That way the captain, it's easier for him to see when he's moving. But once you get anchored out, lift them up, man, now you get people up here comfortable with your own speakers, your own cup holders, cool blue LED lights at night. So this is going to be another area that somebody can hang out and have a conversation with. So maybe the kids are up here and the adults are back there, or vice versa. I really love this new change. If you haven't seen this Sea Ray 350 Coupe and you want to look at the bow, you want to look at the head, you want to look at how the cabin's laid out, come out to MarineMax Dallas Yacht Center. We're on Lake Louisville at Pier 121 Marina. We'd love to see you. Thank you.